Hey YouTube, it's Big Lou Barbecue, and other things I want to do, and I want to say thank you. I got another mail call video going on right now. Look, this has never happened before. A subscriber wanted to send me something, and I guess out of appreciation for my videos, he just wanted to send me something. He found out that I like to make my own spices and rubs and mix stuff together, and he wanted to send me something. So he asked me to pick out a few, and I did, and he sent me a package in the mail. And I asked him if he wanted to stay anonymous. He said it was up to me, so I'm going to not mention his name, and if he wants to comment on the video, and I'll pin that comment to the top of the thing. I'll just tell you, he comments on a lot of y'all's videos, but he doesn't have videos on his channel. All right, but I want to tell him thank you, and I want to make it public thank you. I got a package from nuts.com, all right? So, you're going to see it as I see it, okay? Hope I'm not cutting into anything I want to eat. All right. I got all the tape done. Move the package slip away. Yep. Now I want to tell you, I did get some stuff from nuts.com before. It was actually a colleague of mine. She ordered some cocoa beans, and I've got some left too. She didn't like them. She did them for some of her students, and I've used them in my classes when we've talked about the Yucatan Peninsula and Tabasco in Mexico. Well, that's a state in Mexico, by the way, where they grow a lot of chocolate. I've used them in my classes and let kids try them. I'm thinking about roasting them some kind of way on the grill. I don't know what to do with the cocoa beans, but I have received stuff from nuts.com before. All right, so let's see what I've got here. I've got garlic and herb seasoning. Oh, this will be nice. This will be nice. There's some more garlic and herb seasoning. That'll be nice. This, y'all, is chicory. This is chicory, all right? Sorry, I got a little message on my screen I had to pop up there. All right, chicory is put into New Orleans coffee. And I grew up drinking it in coffee, but I've never actually had chicory before. But I figured it'd be good in beef rubs and stuff. Gotta be, all right? So I've got this whole bag of chicory. It's a root. They put it in coffee, and I think it'll be good in rubs, especially for beef. I can't wait to try this. I really can't. Spirulina. Now this is something he threw in there. I'm not sure what spirulina is, but I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna find out how to use it too. Tomato powder. I had a recipe last year that called for tomato powder. I had no idea where to find tomato powder. All right, all the little stores around my little country area here in the South didn't have it. I may have gone to a big city and found it, but I couldn't find it. I had to make do with something else in that recipe. Okay, hoisin sauce, chili powder. I used to buy my chili powder at Sam's in number 10 cans, but I'm not a Sam's member anymore. Run out a lot of chili powder. There's a lot of rubs that use chili powder. That's awesome. Marjoram. Oh, that goes in a lot of Italian foods and things. That's going to be fun to make spices with. And organic quinoa. Stop. I know in English it's pronounced quinoa. I said it quinoa because that's a Spanish way. I'm sorry for my Spanglish, but you only get one take in an unboxing video. Hey, thank you very much. Can't wait to use some of this stuff in rubs. It's very appreciated. This is, I'm just honored. I really am honored. You know who you are. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Just a little mail call video, y'all. Just wanted to show it off. Big Lou Barbecue.